Hello friends, welcome to the session. In this session, we'll be discussing about Kirchhoff's current law. In this session, we will see what we mean by Kirchhoff's current law and how this law can be stated. Whenever we go for the study of any electrical or electronic circuit, then in order to find out the voltage or current at various points in the electronic circuit, it is necessary that we make the use of various laws. Kirchhoff's current law is a law that is being very widely used while analyzing any electronic circuit. So let us see what this law is. So for this session, we are making the use of iPad for recording of the session. So let us see what is Kirchhoff's current law. Kirchhoff's current law, in short form, we call it as a KCL. Kirchhoff's current law, or KCL, states that the sum of all currents meeting at a point in any electric circuit is equal to 0. That is, we write summation of I is equal to 0 in case of any electric circuit. So whenever there are different currents flowing through the circuit, and when we consider any particular point in the electric circuit, then the summation of current at that point is equal to 0. It means that the sum of incoming currents is equal to the sum of outgoing currents. So for example, if we have any point in the electric circuit, and suppose there are 4 currents meeting at a point A in the electric circuit. Suppose this is current I1, this is current I2, this is current I3, and this is current I4. Then according to the KCL law, we will find that the summation of all the currents is equal to 0. That is, the sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. Sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. That is, according to the KCL law, you will find that if the incoming current, if I treat it as positive, I1 and I3, then this is equal to I2 plus I4. Or in other words, we can say that I1 minus I2 plus I3 minus I4 is equal to 0. That is, the sum of incoming currents is equal to the sum of outgoing currents, and therefore we are able to write this equation. So one can easily observe that the incoming current I1 is being treated as a positive, the incoming current I3 is also treated as positive, while the outgoing current I2 and I4 are treated as negative. So the summation of all currents is equal to 0 according to the Kirchhoff's current law. Kirchhoff's current law is very useful because it is possible to analyze various electronic circuits by making the use of Kirchhoff's current law.